Do you know how much your IT and telecom teams are wasting month after month? Would you like to streamline operations and unlock savings? Outsourcing IT Expense Management could save you up to 35% of your annual telecom spend by maximizing savings in 3 key areas: resources, expertise, and time. Unlock resource savings by updating processes, replacing inventory tracking via Excel spreadsheets with intuitive software, and managing high invoice volumes and spend accuracy. Unlock expertise savings by securing expert contract negotiation for best rates and services, benchmarking data for ultimate savings, and consistent, complex billing audits to uncover and resolve errors. Unlock time savings by offloading time-sensitive tasks such as dispute resolution, and by streamlining multi-level invoice approvals and the bill payment process. Outsourcing TEM can save over 40 hours each month. The powerful ROI makes this service a must-have for organizations with over $500,000 in annual telecom spend. To calculate how much you can save, contact our sales team today.